What's up YouTube? Flex up Avgi here in the video. Hope you guys are having a great day. And today we have this NG model Southwest 737 Max 8 in the Imua 1 livery. So yeah, super exciting. And let's get into this. I believe this is my first NG Max, so it's gonna be interesting to see their mold. Shout out to Panda Fox, always having great customer service. We got another Panda Fox coupon right there. As you can see, it's nicely packaged. And we got some pretty cool box art. Let me know down below what you guys do with your shipping boxes once you guys take out your planes. So here's the box. At the top we just got Boeing 737 Max 8, and we got the computer generated image of the model along with the whole aircraft design in the background. And we have Imua 1 right here, NG Models logo, Southwest logo, registration which is November 8710 Mike. And then we just got the side views, pretty cool, just blended with the colors of the livery. And yeah, let's get into the model. Reward card right here, and there's the model. First glance, it looks like a really cool livery. Seen pictures of it on Instagram of the real aircraft, and it's a really stunning livery. And there is the model. I'll let you guys look at the left side of the aircraft as always while I put the box away, and I'll put the flight radar flags right here for you guys. Alright, so to start the review, maybe if the box doesn't want to fall, as you can see, it's a really stunning livery. So at the front, we got the nose cone, but I'm not too sure if it's detailed on this livery. It's like a slight gray outline, but I'm not too sure if it's that visible on camera. And then we got the cockpit windows, the Imua 1 titles right there at the front. And then I do believe that it says B737 and E-tops on the landing gear right there. And then we got the L1 door, Southwest heart, and then we got the livery across the whole aircraft. And then we got this red design on the Max engines. Looks great. And then we got a red navigation light right here, Wi-Fi dome, American flag, and the registration again, which is November 8710 Mike. And we got the Southwest tail. And I'm not too sure what's right there for the registration. I believe it's text that says E-tops. So yeah, that is the left side of the aircraft. Looks great. And then here is the back view of the aircraft. You can see the overwing exit patterns. And I forgot to mention that this aircraft does have 2 double overwing exit doors. And here's the right side of the aircraft. Wheels roll perfectly, which is nice to see in a model. And the cargo luggage doors aren't too visible because of this livery, but they are detailed with a slight outline. I believe they probably just wanted to make the livery stand out across the whole aircraft. But yeah, there is a slight outline for the cargo luggage doors. And what's great about the NG Max mold is that there's a bottom antenna right here. I'm not too sure why Gemini decided to get rid of the antenna from the Max mold, even though they used to have it on the old one, which is kind of confusing. And then here's the front view of the aircraft. Bird's eye view, you can really see more details on that cool livery. And then here is the bottom view. For every Southwest livery, we got that Southwest heart right there, and just the landing gear holes where they would go when they're in place. So yeah guys, overall this is a really cool model, really great livery to pick up. Now we're just awaiting the Alaska salmon livery, the special one, but I believe that'll probably come out like next month. So yeah, thank you guys for watching and stay tuned for more. Bye.